This video demonstrates how STEMSIMS uses Google Classroom data for teachers to allow students to access assignments and content in STEMSIMS and use Google's SSO to roster students. We use student email addresses solely for providing students access to STEMSIMS using Google's SSO. We do not use student email addresses for any commercial, marketing, or any other purposes. Once teachers create a class in STEMSIMS, they select Add Students and then import from Google Classroom. Teachers then sign into their Google email accounts At this point, teachers may import a class roster, which allows students to log into STEMSIMS using Google's SSO. Here, we demonstrate a student signing in to STEMSIMS and how they would use the product.